Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Math Puzzle Crash Course. I've got a little baseball word puzzle here for algebra. I'm going to use the Cincinnati Reds as an example. I guess wishful thinking here on the number of wins, but basically this problem starts out with the Cincinnati Reds played 162 baseball games in a season. The team won two more games than three times as many games as they lost. So you might want to read that one a few times, but there were no tie games in this season, so we're going to eliminate that possibility. So out of those 162 games, they were all either a win or a loss, and we're saying the team won two more games than three times as many games as they lost. Sounds like they won a lot of games. How many games did the team win? All right, so I'm going to leave this up here. You can go ahead and pause the video if you want to try to work this out independently before I go through the answer. I'll give you a chance here to pause, and then I'm going to move on to the next screen where I'm going to work through the answer to this problem. You can go ahead and pause, and the next thing will be the solution. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to set this as an algebra problem. So I'm going to assign x as the number of wins and y as the number of losses. We already said there were no ties, so that means the wins plus the losses should equal 162. So I have x plus y equals 162. And then we said in the problem, remember, that they won two more games than three times the number that they lost. So how would we represent that? Well, 3y would be three times the number of games that they lost, and we said they won two more games than that number. So that would be x, the number of wins, equals three times the losses, 3y, plus another extra two games. X equals 3y plus 2. So now if we go ahead and we do some substitution here, we can say, we said x plus y equals 162. Well, if x also is equal to 3y plus 2, we can substitute 3y plus 2 for x, which is what we're doing right here, plus y. So we're saying x plus y equals 162. So now we have the equation just in terms of y. That's great because now we can solve for a single variable. We're trying to, get an equation with one variable. So if we simplify that, we have 4y, because 3y plus y is 4y. 4y plus 2 is 162. From here, we can subtract 2 from both sides of our equation, which leaves us 4y equals 160. 4y is 160. So we divide both sides of our equation by 4. That leaves us with y equals 40. So according to this, they lost 40 games. And if we go back and solve for x, x equals 122. We know the total number of games is 162. So if we know they lost 40, well, obviously 162 minus 40 leaves us with 122. So sounds like a pretty good season. I don't think they won that many this year in 2023, but hey, you never know. So I hope this video has been helpful, and I hope this helps you understand the process better. Please consider subscribing, like and share the video, and I look forward to seeing everybody in the next one. Thank you.